Good afternoon, my students. In last class, hierarchy of ecology is over. Okay, once again, repeat the unity with one another to form organ. To form organ. Okay. Number of organs are unity with one another to form organ. To form organ. Okay. Right. Number of organ systems like digestive system, nervous system, reproductive system, endoskeletal system, okay, excretory system, immune system, okay. So these systems are unity with one another to form a complete organ, a complete organ. So, organ. Okay. So, structurally and functionally, similar group of organisms. Structurally and functionally, similar group of organisms to produce a population. To produce a population. Produce a population. Okay. Right. What is meant by a population? Morphologically similar group of individuals is called population. Okay. Right. Number of population. So many number of populations like bird population. Okay. Animals, bird population, pig population, dog population, human population, plant population. The number of populations are unit with one another to form to form community. To form community. Okay. So what is meant by community? Different populations are unit with one another to form community. To form community. Okay. Right. Next, number of communities are unit with one another. Okay. So number of communities occupies a large area. Okay. That is called ecosystem. It's called ecosystem. Okay. Ecosystem. Okay. So all communities occupy a large area or large zone that is called ecosystem. Okay. So what is structural and functional unit of ecology is called ecosystem. This is most important bit. Okay. Structural and functional unit of ecology or environment is called ecosystem. The word ecosystem was coined by A.G. Tansey. The word ecosystem was coined by A.G. Tansey. Okay. So most important bit. Right. Next one, ecosystem. All ecosystems are constitutes the landscape. Okay, landscape, landscape. Okay, so all landscapes constitute the biome. Constitute the biome. Okay, so biome. All biomes constitutes the biosphere. Constitutes the bio bio. Okay, so biosphere. Biosphere is also called ecosphere. Biosphere is also called ecosphere. Okay, so this is the hierarchy of ecology or environment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. Okay, so levels. Hierarchy means level. Okay, so hierarchy means level. Okay, or category. Level or category. Okay, so in the hierarchy of ecology, 11 categories are present. Okay. In the hierarchy of ecology, 11 categories are present. This is most important bit. Okay. So this information is not given in your 10th class biology syllabus. Okay. Right. This is most important. Next one. So what is cell? Structural and functional unit of organism is called cell. Structural and functional unit of organism is called cell. Okay. Why cell is considered structural and functional unit of organism? Why cell is considered structural and functional unit of organism? Different type of biochemical reactions which are occur within the cell. So cell is considered a structural and functional unit of organism. Okay, right. Next to tissues. Okay, so similar type of cells, structurally and functionally. Similar type of cells are unit with one another to form tissue. Okay, so to form tissue. Tissues are first time formed in as okay, nidaria or coelenterata. This is most important bit. Okay, so tissues are first time formed in nidaria, nidaria or coelenterata. Best example to nidaria, hydra. Best example to nidaria, hydra and Aurelia. Okay, so hydra and Aurelia. Aurelia is commonly called jellyfish. Aurelia is commonly called jellyfish. Okay, so Aurelia is commonly called jellyfish. Okay, right. Next, hydra is commonly called freshwater polyp. Okay, so, freshwater polyp. Okay, so freshwater polyp. Hydra is commonly called freshwater polyp. Okay, so this is about hydra. Next, Aurelia. So Aurelia is commonly called okay, jellyfish or moon jelly. Jellyfish or moon jelly. Okay, this point you remember, don't forget. So these two are example to Nidaria or Coelenterata. Next one, argon. Okay, so structurally and functionally, same type of tissues are unit with one another to form an organ. To form an organ. Okay, like organs first time formed in platyhelminthes. Okay, so nothing but typical example to platyhelminthes tapeworm. It is commonly called tapeworm. Scientific name Taenia solium. Scientific name Taenia solium. Okay, like these organs first time formed in organs first time formed in tapeworm. Okay, nothing but platyhelminth. First one, phylum platyhelminth. Okay, phylum platyhelminth. Typical example to platyhelminth is okay, tapeworm. Okay, tapeworm. Tapeworm. This is most important. Okay. Next, organ systems. Number of organs are unit with one another to form organ system. To form organ system. Okay. So this organ system also first time formed in platyhelminth. Okay. Both organ and organ system. Organ and organ systems both are first time formed in platyhelminth. It's nothing but tapeworm. Okay. Right. This is okay. This is over the hierarchy. Organism. Complete organism is number of organ systems are unit with one another to form organism. Okay, so right. Structurally and functionally. Okay, so and a similar group of organisms constitute a population. Similar group of organisms constitute a population. Okay, so population. This is population. Next, number of populations are unit with one another to form a community. Okay, so to form a community. In the community, different type of populations are present. Different type of populations are present in community. Okay, so all communities constitutes the ecosystem. All communities constitute the ecosystem. Okay, so ecosystem is considered a structural and functional unit of our ecology. Okay, so next one, all ecosystems constitutes the landscape. All ecosystem constitutes the landscape. Okay, so this is a landscape. Okay, next one, biome. What is meant by biome? What is meant by biome? Biome means life. What is meant by biome? Biome means life. Okay, so next one, all biome constitutes the large area. This area is called biosphere. This area is called biosphere. Okay, so what is meant by biosphere? Okay, life supporting area. Okay, ఏదైనా కావచ్చు area. So like water. Okay, so or like land or like air. Okay, life supporting area. Life supporting area. Okay, so is called biosphere. Okay, so biosphere is considered largest largest ecological reason. Largest ecological reason than that of remaining all. Than that of remaining all. This point you have to remember, don't forget. My dear students, right. So that is the biosphere. Okay. So biosphere is considered larger ecological reason. or biosphere is considered larger, larger. Okay, so ecological hierarchy, larger ecological hierarchy. Okay, this is most important bit, right? Next one, come to the next come to the pyramids. Come to the pyramid. Last class over. Okay, so right. Food chain. What is meant by food chain? Each traffic level which depends on another traffic level to form a linear shaped. Okay, so linear shaped structure line that is called food chain. That is called food chain. Okay, so in the food chain, 3 to 5 traffic levels are present. In the food chain, 3 to 5 traffic levels are present in food chain. Okay, so uh, each and every organism directly or indirectly dependent on sunlight. Dependent on sunlight. This point you remember. Okay, so each and every organism directly or indirectly dependent on sunlight. Okay, dependent on sunlight. Okay, so dependent on sunlight. Okay, so dependent on sunlight. This point is most important bit. Okay, so right. Next one, pyramid, pyramids, ecological pyramids are ecological pyramids. Okay, so ecological pyramids are described by Charles Elton. He is famous Britain scientist. He is famous Britain scientist. So Charles Elton, Charles Elton, Charles Elton, Charles Elton. So pyramids is also called Eltonian pyramid. Okay, so Eltonian pyramid, Eltonian pyramid, Eltonian. Okay, alright. Pyramids are described by Charles Elton. He is famous British ecologist. Okay, right. In 1927, in 1927. Okay, right. First one, types of pyramid. Okay, types of pyramid. అసలు పిరమిడ్ ఎట్లా ఆయన అరేంజ్ చేశాడో చూస్తాం. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ పిరమిడ్స్ ఎట్లా అరేంజ్ చేశారు? ఫస్ట్ వన్, already told you last class. In the food chain, 3 to 5 traffic levels are present. Okay, first one, producer. First one, producer. Next, primary consumer. Okay, next, secondary consumer. Next, tertiary consumers. Okay, so right, producers, primary consumers, secondary consumers, tertiary tertiary consumers. Okay, so లాస్ట్ డీకంపోజర్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఆ డీకంపోజర్స్ మనకు పిరమిడ్స్ లో అవసరం లేదు. ఓకే, రైట్. ఫస్ట్ వన్, ప్రొడ్యూసర్స్ ఆక్యుపై ఫస్ట్ ట్రాఫిక్ లెవెల్, ప్రైమరీ కన్జ్యూమర్స్ ఆక్యుపై సెకండ్ ట్రాఫిక్ లెవెల్. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండరీ కన్జ్యూమర్స్ ఆక్యుపై థర్డ్ ట్రాఫిక్ లెవెల్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ టెర్షరీ కన్జ్యూమర్స్ ఆక్యుపై fourth trophic level. Fourth trophic level. Okay. So this is formed the food chain. Okay. So each trophic level which depends on other trophic level for their food. Okay. So each trophic level which depend on other trophic level for their food. Each trophic level which depend on other trophic level. Okay. For their food to form a linear shape of line that is called food chain. Food chain. Right. ఇప్పుడు చూస్తాం pyramid. This is pyramid. This is a right. Producer. Producer. First one producer. Next one. Next second one primary. Next third one secondary. Secondary. Next fourth one tertiary. Okay. Tertiary. Okay. So tertiary. Right. బాగా observe చేయండి ఇక్కడ. Based on their trophic level. Based on their trophic level. Which means producers occupy first trophic level. Primary consumers occupy second trophic level. Secondary consumers occupy third trophic level. Tertiary consumers occupy fourth trophic level. Fourth trophic. Okay. Based on their trophic level, different type of organisms in large ecological region. Based on their trophic level, different type of organisms in large ecological region arranged so to form a pyramid shape. To form pyramid shape. Okay, this pyramid is called okay, pyramid of number. So this pyramid is called pyramid of number. Okay, based on their trophic level. Okay, number of organisms. Based on their trophic level, number of organisms arranged. Okay, number of organisms arranged in their trophic level. In their trophic level to form a triangular shape of structure. Triangular shape of structure. This is called pyramid. Okay. So ఏదని బేస్ చేసుకుని based on their number. Okay. So based on their number, different type of organisms which are arranged. Okay, with the help of their trophic levels. The help of their trophic levels to form triangular shaped structure. This is called pyramid of number. This is called pyramid of number. So definition was so based on their number, different type of organisms which are arranged with the help of their trophic level to form triangular shaped structure is called pyramid of number. ఇప్పుడు చూస్తాం pyramid of producers are more number. So take in forest. Okay, so take a forest. In forest, different type of plants are present than that of animals. Okay, so different type of plants are present than that of animals in a forest. Okay, right. So plant is nothing but a producer. Plant is nothing but a producer. Okay. So producers are more in number. Okay, than primary consumer. Okay, producers are more in number than primary consumer. Okay, so producers are occupy bottom trophic level. Producers are occupy bottom trophic level. Okay, so bottom trophic. ఇప్పుడు చూడి ఈ నంబర్ ఎక్కువ ఉంది కదా. సో producers are more in number than that of primary consumers. Okay, so అంటే ప్రైమరీ కన్జ్యూమర్స్ కంటే ప్రొడ్యూసర్స్ ఎక్కువ నెంబర్ లో ఉన్నాయి. ఓకే, కాబట్టి ఈ యొక్క ప్రొడ్యూసర్స్ కు సంబంధించిన బాక్స్ ఎలా ఉంది ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, హై లెవెల్లో ఉంది, ఎక్కువగా ఉంది. ఓకే, సో దాన్ దట్ ఆఫ్ ప్రైమరీ కన్జ్యూమర్స్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ primary consumers are more number than that of secondary consumers. Okay, so primary consumers are more in number than that of secondary consumers. Okay. So secondary. Next, secondary consumers are more in number than that of tertiary consumers. Than that of tertiary consumers. Okay. So, ఇప్పుడు బాగా observe. From bottom to top. Okay. Number of organism is gradually decreased. This is most important point. From bottom to top. From bottom to top. Okay. Number of organisms gradually decrease. Okay. But the size of organism is gradually increased. But the size of organism is gradually increased in the pyramid of number. In the pyramid of number. This point you have to remember. Don't forget. Okay. Right. So, from bottom to top, number of organisms is gradually decreased. Number of organisms is gradually decreased. But the size of organism is gradually increased. Okay. Number of organism from bottom to top. From bottom to top. Bottom to top. Number of organism is gradually. Number of organism gradually decreased. Okay. But from bottom to top, size of organ from bottom to okay, bottom to size of organ, size of organ gradually. Okay, so from bottom to top, size of organism is gradually increasing. Size of organism is gradually okay. So it is over the pyramid of pyramid of okay. So, ah, next one, energy. Energy passes from one traffic level to another traffic level. So first one, energy. So, first of all, చూడండి. So, primary consumers which feeds on producer. Primary consumers which feeds on producer. So energy is passes from producers to primary consumers. Okay. When primary consumers which feeds on producers, immediately energy is passes from producers to primary consumers. Primary consumers. Okay. So producers to primary consumers. Okay. So next, ఇది కూడా అంతే. So, secondary consumer. When secondary consumers which feeds on primary consumer, energy is passes from primary consumers to secondary primary consumers to secondary. Okay. So when tertiary consumers, example tertiary consumers, lion, tiger, hog. Okay. So these are example to tertiary. When tertiary consumers which feeds on secondary consumers and primary consumers, immediately energy passes from primary consumers and secondary consumers to tertiary consumers. Tertiary consumers. Okay. This point you have to remember. Don't forget, my dear students. Okay. Energy is gradually decreased from one traffic level to another traffic. From one traffic level to another. So energy is the passage of energy. Okay. The passage of energy is gradually decreased from producers to traffic level to primary consumers to traffic level. From primary consumers to traffic level to secondary consumers to traffic level. Okay. So next, energy is gradually decreased from secondary consumers to traffic level to tertiary consumers to traffic level. Okay. So in the food chain, flow of energy is gradually decreased from one traffic level to another traffic. One traffic level to another. One traffic level to another. Gradually decrease. Okay. So తగ్గిపోతూ ఉంటుంది. Right. This point you have to remember. Don't forget. This is over the pyramid of number. This is over the pyramid of number. Okay. Next one come to the ఇంకా కూడా కొన్ని ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో ఆ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ సో కొన్ని చూస్తాం. ఇంకా కూడా ఉన్నాయి కొన్ని ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్. producers. Pyramid of example to the pyramid of example to the pyramid of number. Okay. Producer, nothing but plant. Producer. Of it. Of it. Okay. Of its. Next one, ladybird. Lady. Herbivorous birds. Okay. So, ladybird or herbivorous. Next, insectivorous. 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 Okay. Insectivorous. Lost hawk. It is a good example to the pyramid of okay. Good example to the pyramid of okay. Explain this. Right. First one, producer. Producer. Okay. Producer. Producers are more in number than aphids. Than okay. Aphids are more in number than ladybird. Lady. Okay. Next, ladybird are more in number than insectivorous. 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 Okay. Insectivorous birds are more in number than horse. Than okay. Than ఇప్పుడు బాగా చూడండి ఇక్కడ సో ముందే చెప్పాను కదా నేను ఫ్రమ్ బాటమ్ టు టాప్ size of organism is gradually from bottom to top. Number of organisms is gradually decrease. Number of organisms is gradually decrease. Okay. So, but size of organism is gradually increase. Hawk చాలా పెద్దది. Compare with that of insectivorous birds, ladybird, aphid. Okay. So, hawk contain larger size than that of insectivorous birds, ladybird, aphid. Okay. So, also produce. Also produce. Okay. From bottom to top, number of organism is gradually decrease. Number of organism is gradually decrease, but size of organism is gradually increase. But the size of organism is gradually increase. Okay. Right. Okay. This is over the pyramid of నెక్స్ట్ మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్ ఉంటుంది సో ఇన్నే ఇప్పుడే చెప్పేస్తాము మళ్ళీ కూడా వస్తుంది మళ్ళీ వచ్చినప్పుడు మళ్ళీ చెప్పుకున్నాం ఓకే అఫిడ్స్ విచ్ ఫీడ్స్ ఆన్ ప్రొడ్యూసర్స్ కదా అఫిడ్స్ విచ్ ఫీడ్స్ ఆన్ ప్రొడ్యూసర్ ఇమ్మీడియట్లీ some of the energy is passes into body of aphids. Energy is passes into body of aphids. Okay. How much the energy is passes into body of aphids from producers? ఎంత 10 to 20%. 10 to 20% of energy only passes from producers to aphids body. Producers to aphids body. Okay. So, from producers to aphids body, only 10 to 20% of energy is passes into the body of aphids. Okay. So, from producer. Remaining energy ఏమైతుంది రిమైనింగ్ ఎనర్జీ ఏమైతా ఉంది ఓకే రిమైనింగ్ 90 to 80 to 90 80 to 90 remaining 80 to 90% of energy okay so lost in the form of heat in the form of heat okay remaining 80 to 90% of energy is lost okay in the form of heat energy in the form of heat energy okay so this is called entropy okay so remaining energy is lost in the form of heat okay so that energy is called entropy okay entropy most important bit, students. Okay, so this is over. Okay, so from this, from of its body, only 10 to 20% of energy enters into the body of lady from of its. Okay, so next, from lady body. Okay, so 10 to 20% of energy is passes into the body of insectivorous body. From insectivorous body, 10 to 20% of energy is flow into the body of, okay, so into the body of okay, so remaining energy is lost in the form of heat. Okay, so this is called entropy. Okay, so entropy, okay, about 80 to 90%. Okay, so how much entropy? 80 to 90%. Okay, so 80 to 90. Okay, right. This is over the pyramid of number. Next one. Now good examples. Banyan, insect, and woodpecker. So banyan. Banyan tree. This is the marichet. Okay. Banyan, insect, and woodpecker. Okay. So banyan. So this is the pyramid of pyramid of. Okay. So, okay. Next, grass, rabbit, wolf. Grass, rabbit, grass, rabbit, wolf. Okay. So this is the only one banyan tree. On the banyan tree, some of insects. Okay. So woodpecker. సో చిన్న చిన్నవి ఓకే క్రిమి కీటకాలు ఉంటాయి. ఓకే సో ఇన్ పారాసైటిక్ ఫుడ్ చైన్ ఇన్ పారాసైటిక్ ఫుడ్ చైన్ ఇన్ పారాసైటిక్ ఫుడ్ చైన్ పిరమిడ్ ఆఫ్ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ ఇన్వర్టెడ్. పిరమిడ్ ఆఫ్ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ ఇన్వర్టెడ్. ఓకే సో పిరమిడ్ ఆఫ్ నంబర్ ఇన్వర్టెడ్. ఓకే ఇన్ పారాసైటిక్ ఫుడ్ చైన్ ఇన్ పారాసైటిక్ ఫుడ్ చైన్ పిరమిడ్ ఆఫ్ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ ఇన్వర్టెడ్. సో ముందు ఎట్లున్నది పిరమిడ్ ఆఫ్ నెంబరు? ఇట్లా ఉంది. కానీ ఇప్పుడు ఏమైతుంది పిరమిడ్ ఆఫ్ నెంబరు? Inverted. Okay. Only one banyan tree. On the banyan tree, some of insects. Banyan, some of insects. Okay. ఈ ఇన్సెక్ట్స్ కంటే వుడ్ పీకర్స్ అంటే చిన్న చిన్న పురుగులు ఇంకెక్కువ. ఓకే సో వుడ్ పీకర్ ఇవి ఎక్కువ. అంటే అర్థం ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ? ఇన్ పారాసైటిక్ ఫుడ్ చైన్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఇన్ సమ్ కేసెస్ అన్నాడు మీ బుక్ లో. సో మీ బుక్ లో పారాసైటిక్ ఫుడ్ చైన్ అని వాడి పేరు పెట్టలేదు. ఓకే సో ఇన్ సమ్ కేసెస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఆ సమ్ కేసెస్ ఏంటంటే ఇన్ పారాసైటిక్ ఫుడ్ చైన్ పిరమిడ్ ఆఫ్ నంబర్ ఈజ్ ఇన్వర్టెడ్. పిరమిడ్ ఆఫ్ నంబర్ ఈజ్ పిరమిడ్ ఆఫ్ నంబర్ ఈజ్ ఇన్వర్టెడ్. తిరగవేయబడి ఉంటుంది. ఓకే సో ఇన్ సమ్ కేసెస్ నథింగ్ బట్ పారాసైటిక్ ఫుడ్ చైన్ పారాసైటిక్ ఫుడ్ చైన్. ఓకే సో ఓన్లీ వన్ banyan tree. ఓకే సో సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఇన్సెక్ట్స్. ఓకే సో compare with the insects, more number of woodpeckers are present. More number of woodpeckers are present on banyan tree. Okay, right. So this is okay. This is inverted. Inverted. Okay. So, right. ఇవి కూడా తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఇవి కూడా తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఒక టేక్ ఏ ఫారెస్ట్ కూడా. సో గ్రాస్ ప్లాంట్స్, సో మెనీ గ్రాస్ ప్లాంట్స్ ఆర్ అపియర్. సో మెనీ గ్రాస్ ప్లాంట్స్ ఆర్ అపియర్ ఇన్ ఫారెస్ట్. ఓకే సో నెక్స్ట్ వన్. ఆ గ్రాస్ ప్లాంట్స్ పైన బతికగలుగుతూ ఏముంటాయి ఇక్కడ? ర్యాబిట్స్, కొన్ని ర్యాబిట్స్. ఓకే సో కొన్ని ర్యాబిట్స్. Okay, take a forest. Okay, take a this is okay. This is okay. Okay. So, this is inward same grass, grass. Okay, rabbit. Next wolf. So wolf. So, grass, rabbit, grass, rabbit, wolf. This is upright. నిలువుగానే ఉంది. Okay. So number of grass plants are there. Okay. So than the top. That. So more number of rabbits are present than wolf. Than wolf. Okay. So ఈ wolf ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి rabbits. Okay. Rabbit population కంటే wolf population more number of rabbits are present than wolf. అంటే అర్థమైంది rabbits ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి. Rabbits are more in number. Wolves are less in number. Okay. So this is upright గానే ఉంది. So but in parasitic food chain or in some cases pyramid of number is inverted. So this is okay. Pyramid of number is okay. So this pyramid, this food chain is inverted. Okay. So but this food chain is upright. This food chain is upright. So this is upright. Grass, rabbit, upright. Upright means from bottom to top gradually decrease in their number. Okay. So this is upright. This is upright. Right. Next one. Come to the pyramid of bioma. Pyramid of bioma. True pyramid of bioma. What is biomass? Dry weight of organism is called biomass. Dry weight of organism is called biomass. Okay. Dry weight of organism is called biomass. So right. ఇంకొక డెఫినేషన్ కూడా ఉంది అది కూడా చెప్పేస్తాము. ఓకే. Plant or animal material that can be converted into energy. Okay. That can be converted into plant or animal material. Animal material that can be converted into energy. It's called bioma. It's called okay. Then రాసుకోవచ్చు ముందు రాసుకోవచ్చు. Please definitely. Okay. Dry weight of organism is called biomass. Okay. Or plant or animal materials that can be converted into energy that is called biomass. It is called biomass. Okay. Right. ఇప్పుడు చూస్తాం phytoplankton. Phyto phytoplankton. Next one, crustaceans and small herbivorous crustacean. This is crustacean. Crustaceans and small fish. Small. Okay. Next one. Large fish. Okay. Large carnivorous. ఇవన్నీ కూడా large carnivorous. ఇది కూడా. Okay, both are large carnivorous, large carnivorous. Okay, so ఇప్పుడు చూడండి ఇక్కడ based on biomass, based on biomass. Different, what is biomass? Live weight of organism is called biomass, or okay, so plant or animal materials that can be converted into energy, that is called biomass. Okay. Based on biomass, different type of organisms which are arranged, with the help of their trophic level, with the help of their trophic levels. Okay, so to form a triangular shaped structure, that is called pyramid of biomass. That is called pyramid of biomass. Okay, so based on their biomass of different organisms which are arranged sequel with the help of their trophic level. So with the help of their trophic level. So to form triangular shaped structure, that is called pyramid of biomass. So their trophic levels, which means what is meant by trophic level? For example, okay, producers occupy first trophic level, primary consumers occupy second trophic level, secondary consumers occupy third trophic level, tertiary consumers occupy fourth trophic. Okay, so this is the trophic level. That is the trophic level. Okay, next one. Phytoplankton. So, phytoplankton in aquatic ecosystem. Okay, this one is aquatic ecosystem. What is aquatic ecosystem? Ecosystem formed in water, that is called aquatic ecosystem. Aquatic. Eco, eco, okay, aquatic. ఇదంతా వాటర్ అంట. ఓకే, ఇదంతా కూడా వాటర్. ఓకే, ఇది వాటర్, ఇట్ ఈస్ వాటర్. ఓకే, in aquatic ecosystem, phytoplanktons are more in number. Phytoplanktons are more in number than that of crustaceans and small herbivorous fishes. Okay, small herbivorous. అందువల్ల draw big bond to the phytoplankton than that of the box of crustaceans and small fish. Crustaceans and small fish. Okay. Next, crustaceans and small fishes are more in number than that of large carnivores. Than that of large carnivorous, large carnivorous fishes. Okay. Right. ఇప్పుడు చూస్తాం. What is phytoplankton? Definition. What is phytoplankton? What is phytoplankton? A microorganism which is float on the outer surface of water is called phytoplankton. Okay, a microorganism which is float on the outer surface of water with chlorophyll. Outer surface of water with chlorophyll is called phytoplankton. Example to phytoplankton. Okay, so diatoms, iglunites. Okay, diatoms, iglunites, volvox. Okay, so these are example to phytoplankton. Okay, crustaceans. Crustacea. What is crustacea? Crustacea is one type of arthropoda class. One of the class in arthropoda. In arthropoda. Example to crustacea. Okay, prawn, royal under. Okay, example to crustacea. Okay, so prawn. Right, prawn. So fish, small. Crustacean and small fish, which feeds on phytoplankton. Crustaceans and small fish, which feeds on phytoplankton, and then acquiring the energy from phytoplankton. Okay, so crustaceans and small fishes which feeds on phytoplankton and acquiring the energy from phytoplankton. Okay, phytoplankton. Okay, right. Next one. crustaceans small fish kada. Large carnivorous fishes which feeds on crustaceans and small fish. Crustaceans and small fish. Large carnivorous fishes which feeds on crustaceans and small fish and receives the energy from crustaceans and small fishes. Okay, so small fish. Okay, so go to this one. From bottom to top, biomass is gradually decrease. Biomass is gradually decrease from bottom to top. Okay, so from bottom to top, biomass is gradually decrease. Okay? This is phyto. Okay, phyto. These are these are these are crustaceans and small. Okay, crustaceans and small. These are large carnivores. Large carnivores. Okay, so from bottom to top, biomass is gradually decrease. Biomass is gradually decrease from bottom to top. From bottom to top. Okay, so this is over the pyramid of biomass. Pyramid of biomass. Observe. Pyramid of biomass is converted into pyramid of number is converted into pyramid of biomass. So pyramid of number and pyramid of biomass both are upright. నిలువుగా ఉంటాయి. Both are upright. Most important bit. The pyramid of number and pyramid of biomass. Okay, both are upright. నిలువుగా ఉంటాయి. Okay, so నిలువుగా upright means నిలువుగా ఉంటాయి. Okay, next pyramid of number is converted into pyramid of biomass. Pyramid of number is converted into pyramid of biomass. Okay, so pyramid of biomass. Right. This is over. Next one. The pyramid of energy. The last pyramid of energy. Okay. Last point కూడా చూడండి ఇక్కడ చెప్పాం కదా చెప్పాం కదా ప్రొడ్యూసర్ 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 ప్రైమరీ secondary tertiary producer. Producers are more in number than primary. So more biomass is present in the body of producer than primary consumer. Next, primary consumers are more in number than secondary consumers. So more biomass is present in the body of primary consumer than secondary. Next, secondary consumers are more in number than tertiary consumers. Okay, so more biomass is present in the body of secondary consumer than tertiary consumer. Okay, అంటే నంబర్ లో ఎక్కువ ఉంటే బయోమాస్ కూడా ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుంది. ఆ పాయింట్. ఓకే, when number is more, biomass also more. ఓకే, సో నంబర్ ఎక్కువ అంటే బయోమాస్ కూడా ఎక్కువ. ఓకే, దీంట్లో ఎక్కువ బయోమాస్, దీంట్లో ఎక్కువ బయోమాస్ than that of in producers more biomass than that of primary consumer because of producers are more in because of producers are more in. Okay, in primary consumers more biomass is present than secondary consumers because of primary consumers are more in number than secondary consumers. Okay. In secondary consumers, more biomass is present than tertiary consumers because of in secondary consumers more in secondary consumers more biomass is present than tertiary consumers because of secondary consumers are more in number. అంటే నంబర్ లో ఎక్కువ అంటే బయోమాస్ కూడా ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది ఆ పాయింట్ గుర్తు. ఓకే, సో ఇఫ్ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ ఇంక్రీజెస్ బయోమాస్ ఆల్సో ఇంక్రీజ్. ఓకే, ఇవి నంబర్లు ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి దీంట్లో బయోమాస్. ఓకే, దీంతో పోల్చుకుంటే దీంట్లో నంబర్లు ఎక్కువ, దీంతో పోల్చుకుంటే ఇవి నంబర్లు ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి దీంట్లో బయోమాస్ ఎక్కువ. ఓకే, బయోమాస్ వీటితో పోల్చుకుంటే దీంట్లో నంబర్లు ఎక్కువ, దీంట్లో పోల్చుకుంటే దీంట్లో నంబర్ ఎక్కువ కాబట్టి బయోమాస్ కూడా. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ పిరమిడ్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ. కమ్ టు ద పిరమిడ్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ. పిరమిడ్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ. కమ్ టు ద పిరమిడ్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ. రైట్, ముందే చెప్పాను నేను, ఇంత ముందే ఇప్పుడే చెప్పింది. ఓకే, సో these are producer, primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary consumer. Okay, so right, from each topic level energy is gradually decreased from one trophic level to another trophic. Flow of energy is gradually decreased from one trophic level to another trophic. One trophic level to another trophic. One trophic level to another trophic. Flow of energy is gradually decreased from one trophic level to another trophic level. Okay, in the length of food chain. In the length of food chain. Okay, this point we have to remember. Okay, so only 10 to 20% of energy is passes from one trophic level to another trophic level. Okay, so from one trophic level to another trophic, only 10 to 20%. Okay, 10 to okay, 10 to 20. అంటే దీని అర్థమైతే ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ? ఓకే, ఫ్రమ్ వన్ ట్రాఫిక్ లెవెల్ టు అనదర్ ట్రాఫిక్ లెవెల్ only 10 to 20% of energy is supplied from one traffic level to another traffic. Okay, this principle is proposed by Linderman. This principle is proposed by Linderman. Okay, only 10 to 20% of energy is supplied from one traffic level to another traffic level. Okay, so this principle is proposed by Linderman scientist. Okay, so it is also called Linderman's 10% rule అని కూడా. ఓకే, సో మామూలుగా వచ్చేసి ఖచ్చితంగా మీ బుక్ లో 10 to 20% అని ఇచ్చారు, కానీ ఖచ్చితంగా తీసుకుంటే ఓన్లీ 10%. ఓన్లీ 10%. ఈ బుక్ లో 10 to 20% అని ఇచ్చాడు. ఓకే, ఓన్లీ 10%. ఓకే, సో ఒరిజినల్ గా తీసుకుంటే సో ఓన్లీ 10%. ఓకే, సో ఓన్లీ 10% ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ okay so passes from one traffic level to another traffic level. Okay, so this principle is proposed by Linderman scientist. So it is also called Linderman's 10% rule. Linderman Okay. Linderman 10%. Linderman's 10%. Okay. What is the Linderman's 10% rule? Linderman is one type of scientist. He's proposed a principle. What is that principle? Okay. Only 10% of energy passes from one traffic level to another traffic level. Okay. In the length of footprint. Okay. So it is called Linderman's 10% rule. Okay. So ఇప్పుడు మనం చూస్తాం ఇక్కడ. So phytoplankton. Okay. Would be the two example phytoplankton. Phyto. Next example to primary consumers. Okay, zooplankton. Okay. Zooplankton. From zooplankton to fish. Okay. From fish to okay, so man. From fish to 1000 kg. Okay, so 1000 kg. Okay, 1000 kg ఉంది. The biomass of phytoplankton 1000 kg. Okay, so biomass means energy. ఎందో కాదు, biomass means energy. అంటే in the all phytoplanktons 1000 kg biomass or energy in all phytoplankton. Okay. 10% కదా, ఇక్కడ నుంచి 10% మాత్రం ఇక్కడికి వస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో 10%. 1000 kg 10% ఎంత? 100. 100 means from phytoplanktons to zooplanktons only 100 kg. 100 kg. Okay, zooplankton 100 kg ఎనర్జీ మాత్రమే వస్తుంది ఎవరిలోకి? జూప్లాంక్టన్. ఓకే, దీంట్లో మళ్ళీ 10%. 100 కేజీలో 10% ఎంత? 10. ఓకే, 10. Only 10 kg of energy passes from zooplanktons to fish. Zooplanktons to fish. Okay, so 10 kg లో 10%. 1 kg. Okay. Only 1 kg of energy is passes from fish to man. Fish to man. Okay, so to clarity చెప్తాను మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి అండి ఇక్కడ. So when zooplanktons which feeds on phytoplankton, okay, so receives only 10% of energy. When zooplanktons which feeds on phytoplanktons, these zooplanktons receives only 10% of energy. Okay, from the energy of phytoplankton. In the phytoplanktons, how much energy is present? 1000 kg. Okay, 1000 kg లో 10% మాత్రం ఇవి తీసుకుంటాయి. 1000 kg 10% ఎంత? 100 kg. 1000 kg లో 10% 100 kg. నెక్స్ట్ when fishes. ఒక సెకండ్. When fish which feeds on zooplankton and receives only 10% of energy. Okay, so and receives only 10% of energy. Zooplankton లో ఎంత ఎనర్జీ ఉంది? 100 kg ఎనర్జీ ఉంది. ఈ 100 kg లో 10% ఎంత? 10 kg. ఓకే, సో ఫిషెస్ రిసీవ్స్ ఓన్లీ 10 kgs. ఓకే, సో ఫ్రమ్ ద ఎనర్జీ ఆఫ్ zooplankton. From the energy of zooplankton. Next, man which feeds on fishes and receives only 10% of energy from fish. Okay, fish బాడీలో ఎంత ఉంది ఎనర్జీ? 10 kg ఉంది. 10 kg లో 10% ఎంత? 1 kg. Okay, so this is Linderman's 10% rule. Okay, so Linderman's 10% rule. Okay, so flow of energy is gradually decrease అయిందా లేదా? From one traffic level to another traffic level. flow of energy is gradually decreased from one traffic level to another traffic level. Okay, so this is over the Linderman's 10% rule. Okay, only 10% of energy is passes from one traffic level to another traffic level. Okay, so this rule is proposed by Linderman's. So it is also called Linderman's 10% rule. Linderman's 10% rule. Okay, this is I am living.